description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from South Korea that came by way of Noodle Journey. He's got a great channel on YouTube. Check him out. Just type in Noodle Journey and dig a little bit and you'll find him. This is strawberry Bibimmen. It's a cold noodle, and usually I believe it has an apple element to it. This one has a strawberry element to it. I am fascinated. Takes 3 minutes to cook. So when I first started reviewing, I was like, man, there's all these things and I have no idea what they are, and I'm like all over the place, right? But one of them that I tried was Bibimmen, and I really, really didn't like it. I was like, this is weird, man. There's stuff in my years of reviewing that used to be on the bottom 10. And now it's not. I've like gained a taste for it. It's a weird thing. This was never on the bottom 10. I mean, Bibimmen wasn't. But it just wasn't something that I found enjoyable in the slightest. Kind of like jajang. There's some jajang that I do like. On the whole, I never really got a taste for it. But like Baija Spicy Fei Chang, what was it? Sweet potato thread noodle from, it's like very Szechuan Chinese. I love that stuff. It's really good. I couldn't eat a whole bowl of it because it's so freaking salty, but it's good. And when I was in Taiwan, I actually had Fei Chang, which is, or is it Fei Chang? I don't know. But I had that, and it's pork intestine. I had braised pork intestine with Taiwanese kimchi, I guess you could say. Taiwanese pickled vegetables, which are sweet. And yeah, I'm telling you right now, braised pork intestine, it's succulent. It's good. Yep, I know what an intestine is, folks. Yep. But it's good. When we were there, I even got my sister to try it. And she's like, this is actually really good. I'm like, you know, there's things that you're not used to eating, and you go places and they offer them to you, try them. Because you might like it, you might hate it. But if it's like something that's very popular where you're going, chances are you're going to like it. Most people don't want to eat food that's gross. You might find things that are like strange and weird that actually most people in the area don't like. For example, I was like, you know, talking to somebody from Japan, and I was talking about, yeah, it's like there's certain foods that, you know, I just really have a trouble getting with. They're like, oh, like what? I'm like, uni. Like sea urchin. It's just so musty of the sea funk. And they're like, oh yeah, there's like only a certain amount of people that actually like that stuff. It's like, really? I thought everybody. It's like, no. It's the same here. I mean, there's foods that a lot of people like here and a lot of people don't like. I like liverwurst. I'll bet you I can find a ton of people who think it's the most disgusting thing they've ever heard of. So, yeah. Alright. Let's make some cold noodle. I'm debating how to plate this. I want to use this plate, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna use... There we go. We're gonna use that one. I gotta drain this sucker. Yeah. Actually, I gotta do this first. That's good. Because I did a cold noodle earlier, and it had a vegetable sachet, and it ended up vegetableizing. Okay, and then that's plenty cold. Drip, drip, drip. All right. Cold noodle. Cold noodle. All right. Oh, man. This will be the last one. If I'm lucky, the sun will go away and I can take my nice picture. Ah, look at that. Since this one doesn't have a broth and it's not gonna suck up all that broth, I think we'll be good if I have to wait like 5 or 10 minutes to get the nice picture. Oh, that definitely smells like a McDonald's strawberry milkshake. Totally. Wow. What about this? So this is probably just the regular deal. I don't see any mention of the strawberry on this sachet. No, I think this is just regular Bibimmen sauce. Man, that's one thing we haven't had in a long time. We used to go out for Korean food quite a bit, and I haven't been out for that in a long time. I wish I could just go and find a Korean restaurant where I could just get banchan. Banchan, so you go out for Korean food, and you can get like, you know, a plate that has a whole bunch of like beef on it that has bulgogi sauce, and it's super good. But, you know, you go out for Mexican food, you get the chips and salsa, you go for this, you get the bread and butter, you know what I mean. Well, when you go out for Korean, you get banchan, which is like, I've been to Korean joints that have like 15 different kinds of banchan they bring out. I'm not kidding. And they're just like little bowls with, you know, kimchi and kimchi radish, you know, cabbage kimchi, radish kimchi, lotus seed pod. I mean, it just goes on and on. Tofu, all sorts of stuff. I would love to go somewhere where I could just like go, yeah, I just want to get one of everything. And like a place that has like all the different kinds of banchan. I think that would be rad. Because that's like my favorite part of going out for Korean food. I mean, bulgogi's nice and all, but God, we used to go to a place called Chimik and Hot Pot, and it was like Korean bar food. That was good. Get Korean barbecue chicken or fried chicken. Korean fried chicken is like double fried. So they fry it, take it out, and then they batter it again and fry it again. So it's got like this thick, tasty, zesty. And you can get it spicy. You can get it like with honey and all those all sorts of stuff. Well, let's try this strawberry deal. Very salady. A little bit of heat. Yeah. So 2 episodes ago, I did the Bibimmen version 2. And I will tell you right now, I like this way, way far and beyond better than that. It was good, but it was kind of more of a black pepper thing. This seems more logical because it's more of a salad deal. The black pepper one just didn't rub me exactly the right way. I mean, yeah, I like this better. I'll just leave it at that. We've got a hard-boiled egg. That was a thing this morning too, because this is not a softy kind of meal. Use a hard-boiled egg for this. Like I said the last time I made it, it's kind of like a Cobb salad. This is how it really ends up going. Let's see, here is our, I did chashu, and I put it on my little slicing thing. We just made chashu last weekend, which seems like yesterday, but actually it's Thursday, so I don't know. It came out really good. Really good. Okay. So here's some tomat. Heck was that? It's getting breezy outside. It's really strange. Yeah, tomato, cucumber, scallion. Last of my scallion. But I won't worry about getting any more of that right at the moment. So I'm taking tomorrow off. Tomorrow is my birthday. Granted, I recorded this in March, and tomorrow is my birthday. So, you just had 4th of July a few weeks ago, so... what do we do? I was thinking of getting spendier tomatoes, and then I was like, dude, you're not going to use them all. So it was a $1 tomato. I think that's spendy enough on a tomato. Yeah. Rotate. Well, that's it for me. I'm going to do the dishes and get this show on the road. So, have a good one. If your birthday's on Pi Day, happy birthday to you. Hope it's going well. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.